Hello friends, welcome again. So we all enjoy eating raitas, don't we? And Indian cuisine has such an amazing variety of raitas. We can have different ones all the time. And especially in summer, we love to eat raita. Cool raita is really cooling for the stomach. And today I'm making a simple one, pomegranate raita. So let's proceed. But before we go and make the raita, friends, please do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to receive notifications. And I hope you are enjoying my recipes. So now let's go and make the raita. Here are the ingredients for Anardana Raita. 1 anar, that is pomegranate, peeled and the seeds removed. 1 pack of yogurt, it's about 1 cup. Roasted cumin seed powder. Crushed black pepper. And rock salt. If you are eating in the fasting period, use rock salt, otherwise you can use the normal salt. Now let's mix the raita. I'm taking half of the curd because I want to make a small portion, about half cup of curd. Whisk it well with a balloon whisk. Add salt to taste. Cumin powder and freshly crushed black pepper powder. Mix them together. You could add honey as well, but the Anardana is quite sweet, so I'm not adding any sweetener. Add about 3 tablespoons of Anardana or as much as you like. They are nice, fresh and juicy. Add little bit of water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix everything well. If you like to add some chaat masala, go ahead and add it. Taste for the salt. Now dish it out in a serving bowl. This is a single portion, serves 1 person. Garnish with some seeds on top. Looks quite decorative. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves. Raita is ready to serve. Enjoy the healthy, cool and delicious pomegranate raita.